Good Wednesday morning, children of the Most High God. This is RevEssie of New Birth Ministries. God bless you today and always. I'm reading from Colossians 1, verses 15 to 20 today, the preeminence of Christ. Who is the image of the invisible God, the firstborn of every creature? For by him were all things created that are in heaven and that are in earth, visible and invisible, whether they be thrones or dominions or principalities or powers. All things were created by him and for him, and he is before all things, and by him all things consist. And he is the head of the body, the church, who is the beginning, the firstborn from the dead, that in all things he might have preeminence. For it pleased the Father that in him should all fullness dwell, and having made peace through the blood of his cross, by him to reconcile all things unto himself. By him, I say, whether they be things in earth or in heaven. And you that were sometime alienated and enemies in your mind by wicked works, yet now he hath reconciled. God add a blessing to the reading of this word, and God bless you. Amen.